All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome back again. Just going to make a quick video about the market outlook and what I'll be looking for going into end of the week, right? So today's Monday. I took only two trades today: USD cut and Euro USD trade. USD cut sells and Euro USD buys. Euro USD the buys were around here, 70% of this whole last week candle, and USD cut also the trade was planned last week with you guys right around here, right? So we had that 1 hour, where is it? This 1 hour order block right there, and we see that the midpoint of the order block is right there. So I just waited for the 5 minutes some refinements in the lower time frames, right? We got this small chain of character right here, look for a flip order block, and then I sold from there. On the 1 minute I think it's more clear here, right? The chain of character right there, pull back 70% around it, 1.8, then we sell it, right? So if I was to use this stop loss, then it would give me a very bigger RR, but I just went for the safer option, which was stops above these highs, right? So it was correlation with that. Correlation with that Euro USD trade. So yeah, EU was around here 70%. I just bought around, not this other block. I could have waited for this other block to come and hit, but I just bought it around this daily week midpoint of it. Bought it around here, came to a little bit of drawdown. As soon as we came right there, I just closed my trade. Similar to USD cut, I just closed both of them at the same time. With MT5 you can close all of your trades at once, so because they are all correlated, I just close all of them at once. And for EU, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I didn't really expect price to come down low. This extreme low. I just expected it at the end of the week we open and then it will come down low, mid to at least maybe here, then from there we push up high, right? Because if we invert it, we see that it's similar to USD cut, right? USD cut didn't really come all the way up, it just came around here and then it just dropped to at least this level, right? But EU just went straight up. I think there was some news, I don't know, right? Look at USD cut, just came right here. USD cut didn't really come right here, right? It just came right there, then it just dropped. So yeah, EU was just weaker. Pound, I didn't trade pound today, just EU, only EU and USD cut. So just going to talk real quick about all of them. What I'll be expecting going to end of the week, going to going to the midweek Wednesday. Yeah, so literally I'm waiting to see how the day will end, right? I'm actually done for the day. If any trade opportunity presents itself, I'll see if I will take it, but I'll just wait and see how the day closes. But if you were to close something like this, then next day opens, we'll be going straight to the downside. Okay. On the 4H, we see the price has come and tapped inside of this wick right there. It just came in, retested it, so continuation low is what I'm expecting, right? Something like this, and then we continue lower, right? So this it's for DXY, just continuation lower. Euro pound. I need to also send out this trade too. This was from last week Friday. I didn't take it, but I planned it, right? Just 3R high, low, 70%. We sell it to the downside, right? I just came 3R, you're done. Okay, wait. Euro pound on the daily time frame, you have already taken out this low, right? You have taken out this low, making it a break of structure. On the weekly structure right there, so and inside of that weekly structure you're having this daily structure there. So maybe something like this may be happening, right? And then we just be continuing lower, giving us this daily range. And once we take out one of the highs out, then we look for our pullback to the upside. Okay. Right now I'm not going to trade the buys, I'm more focused on the sells because we're in a seller's market. So trying to trade reversals is kind of dangerous, you get it? So just wait. If price comes back to the 70% of this whole range, we look to sell it to the downside. ADUSD price literally pushed from here to the upside, didn't give us any kind of pullback to anticipate any move to the upside, right? It has just been going straight up since last time that we talked about, which was around these levels. Price has just been going straight to the upside. We haven't gotten any chance to sell them, to sell the market down and then buy it again. We haven't gotten that chance. So I'll just stay away from this market, but it's similar to EU, right? We will be targeting these highs. These highs should be I mean, yeah, these highs are the targets that we should be targeting, right? Old highs. These highs, they are the targets that we should be targeting this week and also next week. I think if you don't take it out this week, yeah, these two highs, they need to be go. I mean, they need to be gone. So yeah. Yeah, that's actually it. Pretty much it. Nothing much. There's not really much to talk about this pair. Then it's just bullish. Nothing more. Um, yeah, just bullish. So just continuation to the upside. Let's go to EU. EU right here. So again, if you go to the weekly time frame, let me push this one aside. On the weekly time frame, we're having this right there, right? This low to go this high. The target right now is this old high, similar to the AD USD idea, right? Old high, and also this one too, old high. Those are the targets for this week and next week. These two need to be available on the weekly time frame, right? So right now those are the targets that we should be looking for this week to be taken out. Velociraptor. Sorry, I got a call. So right, okay, cool, right here and there. Okay, so if you look at the weekly time frame, last week we closed very bullish. This week we have come and retested this order block, UI weekly order block, right? Right there you have retested it. That's also one of the indication that I got to buy price at that level. Although at that time price was very bearish, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, do I really want to stay in this trade or what? But I mean, everything seemed perfectly for me to take, so I just took it. If you measure the candle, we see the price literally came to the 70% of the candle, right? So I just took the trade based off of that one too, to the upside, right? So we're having this channel that is currently pushing price to the upside. We're having this kind of channel, right? That I want to see price kind of give us another leg to the upside. Currently with this bullish leg right now, EU right now as we see it is weak, right? If you look at pound, we see that pound has already come up to these levels, to this level right there, making this daily candle look like look like a joke. But on EU, it hasn't happened yet, right? On EU, it's still kind of bearish. So you have to be cautious about this one. All the prices retesting that weekly order block, which is from this low to this high. You have retested it. You have also retested this daily wick right there, and also on the 1 hour you have retested that 1 hour order block right there. Okay, so you have retested all of these ones. Right now what I want to wait for is I want to, like I said, I'm done for the day. If we can get price to come back, if price can come back down low around maybe this place again, then we could be looking for continuation back to the upside. If you guys remember the last when price was around here, let me replay it. When price was around here, we were talking about price either selling off from the 70% of this whole range from this high to this low to the downside, give us a new leg, or it will go up, drop, and then from there drop to these levels, and then from there we get to move to the upside, right? And like we saw, price literally went straight to the upside, took out the high, right? Came to this PI 4 hour and then dropped massively to this low, took it out, and right now we're in the phase of going to the upside, right? So we are in that phase of pushing to the upside, but price is still kind of struggling to push to the upside. So the main goal, the main objective is to continue to the upside for this week. Okay, and like I said, the targets are these highs. So if price was to come back down one more time, you can get a new buy opportunity to the upside. That's literally it, nothing more. On USD, also similar idea. If you can get a move like this, continuation to the upside. NU, also similar idea. You're going for these highs, right? You're going for this high the coming weeks, but the immediate one is just this high right there. USD CAD coming down low to eventually reach this 70% range as you have in it right there. Okay, so yeah, currently my trade is completely done. I'm not going to force any trades again. I'm not going to trade reversals, but The other block that I'm keeping an eye on is just this other block right here. If price was to come right back around that level, OB1H, then we could be looking for a new sell opportunity back to the downside. Okay, you see the 70% aligns right there. So if price comes back again, we can go for a simple 3-hour trade to target these lows again. Okay, CHF also to the downside. CHF, I would like to see, like I said, I'm expecting lower DXY, which means I'm expecting CHF to complete its move to the downside. JPY, I also like JPY move to the downside. The high, low, 61.8 level, a new low should be formed. MXN price has tapped. This trade was from last week Friday, but right now I think 3 hours is done. Yeah, cool. I'll close this trade right there. This trade right now is completed day, I think. Yeah, so I can also post this one too. But for MXN right now, I'll just leave it be, as I'm expecting sells right now to the downside. I'm expecting sells from here, maybe to sells from here to the downside. But confirmation sells will be maybe around this level if price was to take out this low out. If price takes out this low out, so there's a last low that was formed. We're moving up like this, right? Price push it outside, a new low to the upside, and if that isn't the case, we take out this low, push back up, we sell to the downside. Okay, so that's what I'm anticipating for a move to the downside, but it needs to take out this low out first. Okay, let me mark it out. Yeah, this one. NOK also to the downside, PLN to the downside, SEC to the downside, SGD to the downside, ZAR to the downside. ZAR is so weak, man. Holy shit, it's so weak. Okay, so that will be all for these ones. Oil, I would like to see it go down again right after we come right there, like to see it continue to the downside. Silver, let me check it. Silver literally is still playing around this trend, I mean this channel right there. Which where it is right now, we can move up one more time, right? But with silver sitting around this extreme level, I will not engage with this price action. I will not participate with it. But anytime right now, we can get a move to the downside. But the structure is too bullish, right? There's the low, and there's the high right there. Price is literally trading around the 50% right now, right? It nearly came to the 70%. So as the structure is bullish, we can anticipate for one more move from here to the upside, like I said. And if we come down low and take out this low out, then look for pullback up to target these lows. Good EU just bullish. Has been bullish, right? I mean, EU has been bearish, so which means good EU will also be bullish. Okay, gold in itself is bullish. Yeah, we have gotten this sharp move to the upside. On the 4H, we are still bullish, right? Today this is a trade that I wanted to take on gold, but because I was already in EU and UCAT, I didn't want to over risk too much. This trade was literally right here. We took out the HL low inside of this kind of other block right there, right? OB15, that's where I took the trade from, right there, right? And I was targeting these size. So very simple. And if you also mark up this range, you see the price came to 61.8 of it, right around here, almost 61.8, and you move to the upside. But right now I'm not in this trade. If you want to enter, if maybe price come down low again, then you could look for buys around here, or you can wait for this to happen, look for buys to the upside. But overall, we are expecting gold bullishness. Gold silver, let me check this one too. Oh, let me check it. Yeah, I'm expecting sells on the high time frame, on the daily time frame. Yeah, around here I'll be expecting sells. Yeah, nothing changes. Indices bullish, I think. Yeah, they're all bullish. I mean, I'm not going to be selling this market, like I keep on saying. Indices, I don't know, but if you buy around here, you come in drawdown, but eventually you will go in profit, because this market is a bullish market. It's a bullish market since when? It's a bullish market, right? So I mean, that's why people like to. That's why I see traders like to trade this market, because it's so bullish. If you go on the 1 minute time frame, then maybe you will be losing sometimes. But on the 4 hour time frames, yeah, it's just a bullish market. AD card looking for continuation buys to target this high. Has it been taken out? Yep, okay. But still, AD USD needs to push up high, so still buys for this one. ADCHF. ADCHF, let me check on the 4H. I was looking for source around here. It didn't work out that well because ADUSD is bullish. Leave this one be. Leave ADCHF be. ADJPY, also leave it be. ADNZD. ADNZD, we have taken out this high, but internally we are still bullish, right? So there's the internal low. So up, low, up, low, up, low, up, and then we are trying to form a new low right here to the upside. So if we were to take out this low out, then we have a flip order block right there. We sell it to the downside. Then from here we look for a 4-hour buy to the upside. But keep in mind, overall, the daily high right there, we are coming from the 61.8 around here, so we can also get a move like this to the downside. Okay, but overall, around these levels, around these places, be careful. Okay. Cut CHF, leave it be. Cut JPY, also leave it be. Cut MXN, I like the sell idea. Cut CHF JPY, leave it be. Euro CHF JPY, we 61.8. Yep. So we are also bullish internally, so we can look for one more push to the upside. If you take out this low, we look for our sells to the downside. Euro AD sells to the downside. Yep. Euro AD will most likely be coming for this low to complete this whole move, something like this. So for this one, right, change of character right there, strong high, break of structure. So for this one, just leave it be. Okay, don't try to buy it. Euro card. I was talking to KG about this one the other day. But yeah, price literally after all of the manipulation that happened right here, that happened up around this level, that's happened, right? So the other time, last time that we talked about this pair, we were trading around here. It was like this, yeah. And I was saying we are likely, I mean, we should be likely selling from here to target this fair value gap right there, right? And after all of the news manipulation that happened, right, now is the day, now is the time that price has literally taken out. Now is the time that price has come and take profits, right? I mean, hit the take profits, right? If you also try to sell around here, then price, yeah, to hit your stop loss, and then after that you just reverse on you. And this sell right here, you would have never gotten a chance to sell it, right? Because last week Friday I was looking for buys around here, similar to that EU idea, right? Buy to the upside on EU around this level, right? Buy from here, but then this week open we saw a very big drop, and then look at it. So you could never predict this big drop unless you're holding from these upper levels, right? So yeah, but it wasn't part of the plan, but it has happened, so we just adjust our plan to it. Euro card, so right now that price has come and hit this fair value gap on the weekly time frame. We are having price also sitting at the 50% of this whole range, I think so. EQ, yeah, it's nearly tapped it, right? Nearly tapped it. So what I'll expect is, some kind of maybe take out this low one more time, continuation to the upside, something like this. Okay, we're going to take out this high. So overall, Euro card, we're looking for a move to the upside. Euro CHF, leave this one be. I like continuation buys from this fair value gap. If you take out this low, look for continuation lower. Euro JPY, continuation sells to the downside. Euro MXN, also I like the sells. Euro NZD, perfect trade to the downside from last week, right? Perfect trade, hit targets, and now we are done. Perfect 3-hour trade to the downside, right? 75400 1,200. Perfect trade to the downside. Right. If you were able to take this trade, then yeah, I'll also have to send out this trade to you. Eurozar, yeah, Eurosec, leave all of these ones be. But I like sells too on the high time frame. I like sells. Pound AD, I like sells. I don't like buys. Pound AD, I'll have to wait. Like I said, take out this high out, come down low. I'm still waiting. I'm not taking any buys yet. I'm not buying from the 50%. I want the 70%. Because if you look carefully, there's no fair value gap, right? There's no imbalance. So I'll have to wait for price to come and take out some old lows around this level. So around this place, you could be looking for more sells to the downside. And then from here, we wait and see if you can get buys to the upside. Pound cut. I also like, we may be getting, like I said, we may be getting one more push down low and then continuation to the upside. Pound CHF, leave this one be. JPY, leave this one be. I like the sells, but for now, leave it be because it's so close to this high, right? So leave this one be. Pound MXN, I like the sells to the downside. Pound NZD, maybe gets one more push from here to the upside. If you take out this low, then look for the sells. But for now, just leave this one. Okay. Euro NZD is much better. Pound SEK, leave it be. Pound ZAR, sells to the downside. NZD CAD buys to the upside. NZD CHF buys, leave it be for now. NZD JPY, I also like the sells, similar to all of the JPY pairs, but for now, leave it be. But it's so bullish, right? BTC USD, leave this one be for now. If you're in this trade, leave it be for now. I also have to update this one because I think price will be going for this high, right? And then after that, maybe something like this, continuation up high. But for now, leave this one be. Okay. Ethereum, also leave it. Ethereum, I like the sells. Like I really like all of these sells, right? But price failed to make a new low, which is telling me that price wants to go up to this high. So for crypto right now, leave all of them be. Okay. For crypto right now, leave all of them be. Because I sense some kind of bullishness coming into the market based off of price failing to make a new low on all of these pairs. Okay. So for crypto right now, if you're not buying, then I'll suggest not selling either. Just leave it be. Okay. So I think that'll be all for now. I'll send it right now to the Telegram. So if you want to rewatch it again, you can rewatch it. Yeah. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys later today. Bye.